Diaper changes don't wait and they don't mess around. An organized changing station is going to help you handle them faster, easier, and safer for your baby. When choosing a changing station, you want to consider the space you have, whether it's using the top of a dresser to place your changing pad or you use an independent changing station like this one. A safe changing station is secure, so not sliding around. Independent changing station is going to have high sides to protect the baby and potentially straps like this to buckle the baby in. If you have a changing pad on top of a dresser, you want to make sure the pad is not hanging over the sides, and it also has a way to secure the baby and it's secure to the station itself. So in creating or building your changing station, you can have a whole bunch of items, but here are the basics. All you really need are your diapers, wipes for the baby, a change of clothes, burping cloth, your diaper cream, and don't forget your socks, and lastly, a place to throw away your dirty diapers. Once you have this packed, you're gonna wanna put this either on top of your changing station, as long as it's away from baby, or underneath and in a drawer, just like this. Here are some extras that you can also have. Your baby swaddle, a bib or extra bibs, a blanket, a teether, and a first aid kit. So for your nice to haves, you want to have a container like this to keep them organized. So you can keep this in a drawer or on the changing station as long as it's out of reach of baby. So another nice to have is a hamper right near your station. That way you can change baby, toss any of your soiled clothes here, and it keeps them separate from your clean clothes. Travel caddy. We kind of add the same items: diapers, wipes, your diaper cream, a change of clothes for the baby, and of course your burping cloth. Once you have this packed, you can actually put this in any place you're normally at away from your main changing station or even in your car.